Now, we'll focus on specific ant types. Whether it's carpenter, tiny, or black ants, we've got a solution. Start by measuring half a cup of borax for our carpenter ant bait. Next, add half a cup of sugar to the borax. This sweetens the bait. Mix borax and sugar thoroughly. This combination is irresistible to carpenter ants. Place the bait where you've noticed carpenter ants. It's their last supper. Tiny ants in the kitchen? Sprinkle diatomaceous earth at entry points and corners. For black ants, start your spray with vinegar. Pour an equal amount of water into the bottle. Add a few drops of peppermint oil. Ants hate its strong scent. Spray this mix in your kitchen and other areas where you see black ants. Don't throw away your coffee grounds. They're useful for our next step. Keep ants out of your garden. Spread coffee grounds around your plants.
If you found our ideas helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about getting rid of ants, and share it with your friends who might like it too. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more super home care tips.